Hot tub blew a fuse? It says T250L 250V on it. Would I replace this with a 250 mA 250 volts fuse?
Who manufactured the hot tub?
Jacuzzi.
Have you talked to an electrician about your fuse?
They found it but wouldn't replace it.
How long has this been going on with your fuse? What have you tried so far?
The breaker blew last night, electrician fixed it but hot tub wouldn't turn on. They found the fuse was bad and left.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I just don't want to cause any issues.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. Thank you for allowing me to help with your electrical issue. My name is Jason, and I look forward to helping you. I know that can be frustrating. I'm sorry to hear you're having problems. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. You will see a pop-up for a premium service phone call offer. This is computer generated and is not from me. Please disregard at this time. You are correct, it would be a 250 mA 250 volt slow blow fuse. I hope this helps.
I could only find a fast-acting 250 mA fuse. Is that okay or should it be a time delay one? Will it hurt any hot tub components or just blow the fuse again?
Fast acting should be fine, you're right, it would just blow faster. Might want to grab a couple if they are easy to come by.
Thanks. It was a 2-pack and I can order a slow blow one online.
Perfect. Good luck with the repairs. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks. If you were pleased with the service I have provided and would like to deal with me for any of your questions in the future, you can favorite me as a preferred expert for easy access and answers to your new questions, or just let me know by starting your electrical question with "for customer only," that way other experts will leave it alone and we can connect. Please don't forget to click a rating for our Q&A session. Thanks, no need to reply.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.